lashings.
Secured, Captain. Cage is ready for launch. Crane operator, begin descent sequence. Watch the tether as it goes down. Clear the deck.
A little more to the left. Steady. Okay, we're in. Secured.
Clear to deploy. All green.
Phase 2 survey and initial clearing begins as the Deep Eye engages its hydraulics, cutting through the dense gray silt.
The dredging pulse caused a massive sediment collapse, resulting in zero visibility. The Deep Eye is now flying.
Phase 2, survey and initial clearing. The Deep Eye ROV carefully removes large fragments of the waterlogged wooden crates from the wreck site.
The manipulator claw applies pressure, confirming the first visual confirmation of the gold ingots inside the crate.
The Deep Eye ROV provides an expanded view of the cargo hold. Inside the decaying structure, perhaps 30.
The Deep Eye reactivates its dredging nozzle, meticulously clearing the gray silt and debris, aiming to expose.
The Deep Eye ROV examines the structural integrity of the hull plating. The steel is severely corroded. The decision is. The camera reveals the first clear look at the cargo. The U.S. Treasury seal is unmistakable, and
Comms check complete. Target prepared for recovery.
Roger, pilot. We have the coordinates and load weight calculated. Engaging the crane hydraulics now.
The marker confirms the vessel's identity and date of loss, providing critical historical context alongside the U.S. Treasury gold cargo.
Confirmed weight is 1.5 tons. Ensure maximum tension capacity before deployment.
The Deep Eye ROV zooms in on a small piece of paper clinging to the gold ingot. The decayed material bears a target locked. Phase 2, initial clearing. The crew stages the salvage basket, attaching the heavy yellow straps.
Basket deployment, ROV insertion, strap under, lift.
Keep it steady. Okay, applying torque now.
Reading green, connection secure. Good job.
Phase 3, Rigging and Engineering. The Deep Eye ROV tracks the incoming heavy swivel hook, ensuring it doesn't strike the salvage basket or the rusted shell.
Phase 3, Rigging and Engineering Clearance Check. The ROV confirms the salvage basket.
Rig confirmed. Clean to lift.
Roger that. Initiating lift sequence.
Confirmed depth, confirmed load. Proceed with 10% lift speed. Commence hoist. Ocean Explorer bridge to crane. Final safety confirmation is complete. You are all clear for retrieval.
Copy that, bridge. Releasing the brake now.
The thick steel cable slowly retracts. The salvage basket, loaded with U.S. Treasury gold, begins its agonizing...
Basket nearing surface, preparing for deceleration. Hold position at the waterline.
Easy now, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side. All right, you're clear. Set it down. All right, bringing it down slowly now. Steady on the guides, almost clear of the railing. Easy now, keep it coming down slow. Watch the starboard side. All right, it's down, hold position. Secure the load. Make sure those chocks are tight. Confirmed, the basket is stable. Cable slack now. Roger that. Hook is clear, coming up.
The massive knuckle boom crane smoothly retracts, signaling the end of the lift and surface recovery phase.
Load secured. We are ready for processing.
Secure the starboard clamps now.
Starboard clamp secured, moving to the forward line.
As the recovery enters Phase 5, the first crates are carefully removed, revealing
It's verified. Excellent work, everyone.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Steady, steady.
The count is confirmed. All 5 crates accounted for. We are ready for secure packaging. Copy that. Moving to secure the cargo now.